do you think would have happened? What are your thoughts and opinions? Because I'm sure somebody in high places have something to do with this. Okay, not just regular man not have so much money if you buy 117 guns just for send a Jamaica. Somebody in high places are trying to control our population. So that was a clip from my recently uploaded video that I did a day ago. So now I have a update for you guys, and I had to refresh your guys' memory of what I said in my previous videos, because exactly what I said in my previous video came to pass. I said there had to be someone in high places connected to this, because no regular schmegler guy or girl from Jamaica no have so much money to buy so much gun and assorted ammunition for send go to Jamaica. Well, reports are in, and guess what? And guess who is connected? The People's National Party. Okay, the opposition People's National Party, PNP, has confirmed reports that the woman listed as the intended receiver, so the woman that was supposed to receive this barrel of guns and ammunition, seized by law enforcement in Miami, Florida, was an employee of one of its counselors in St. James. How ironic. So we talk, and people don't understand when we say corruption comes from the highest levels in Jamaica. And them like we say we love blame government and we like this and we like that. But here is the facts to prove what we said. And there's plenty more facts out there to prove it. In a release late last night, me can't even talk, homie. Excited. In a release late last night, the PMP said the woman was employed to the councillor of the Granville Division, Michael Trofe, but left his employment 3 months ago. The PMP didn't say whether the woman is a member of the party. Meanwhile, it's urged both local and U.S. law enforcement agencies to swiftly determine the veracity and culpability of individuals involved in the large shipment of illegal weapons that were destined for Montego Bay, and where there has been a dramatic increase in killings since the start of the year. On Wednesday, the Jamaica Constabulary Force reported that the U.S. law enforcement seized 119 firearms, 267 assorted rounds of ammunition during a search of containers at Miami International Airport in Florida on November 13th. Okay. Among the weapons were 4 high-powered rifles and 115 pistols. So it moved from 117, which was the initial report, to 119 weapons. And the PMP said the report having nothing to do with the party, it is nevertheless urging a swift investigation. And there were 310 murders in Montego Bay since the start of the year. Isn't that ironic, you think? And the shipment was intended for Montego Bay also. So imagine the amount of killings and bloodshed that would have been done this December and the new year coming up. When we come on here and we try to have intellectual, meaningful conversations, and we try to awaken our people and unite our people and give them knowledge and actually tell them what's going on, and don't have their minds narrowed because of media and what they put out there, and actually think outside the box, we get blamed. We get people talk about us, about how we're just spreading false news. Well, news flash. Everyone is entitled to their opinion, and my opinion has come to pass, and I'm sure many more will come to pass in the future, because me know enough politician, not just this one here, we get caught up in this, involved in crime and violence in a Jamaica, or allegedly involved with crime and violence in a Jamaica. But that's neither here nor there, and they say anything in the dark must come to light. This girl was an employee for a PNP counselor, so she have all of the links them set up, and as soon as she get enough links to do what she want, she cut. How convenient. So comment in the comments. So I had to pop back in here real quick and give you guys this another update that I got just as I was uploading this video, and it says that the United States actually repackaged these 119 guns and sent them to Jamaica for them to be picked up, and they had a surveillance team actually watching the package and waiting for somebody to pick it up, but I guess no one has picked it up, so they came back to Jamaica to get all the guns and ammunition and take them back to the US. Links tall, so them already know say the shipment get fine and there are people watching. So the plot thickens. Comment section, tell me what you guys think about this update, because as soon as this information keeps coming out,